Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can sign in and that two-factor authentication is active. This ensures the recovery key will bind to the right identity. Once done, use your primary device or a secure backup device or retrieve the printed key. Open the account's security settings, then go straight to the recovery key section. Do not pause. Identify the recovery key ID displayed. This numeric or alphanumeric ID is what you'll reference for support or cross-checking against stored copies. Next, verify the recovery key ID against any stored copies or password manager entries. Mismatches are the most common error. Make sure to record the ID exactly, case, hyphens, and spacing matter, so transcriptions don't fail. Once matched, take a secure screenshot, export the key to an encrypted file, or copy it into a hardware-backed password manager. Keep at least 2 independent, secure copies in different forms, digital, encrypted, and physical, so you avoid single-point failure during recovery. Finally, when you need to recover access, enter the recovery key ID exactly where prompted during the account recovery flow. If the system rejects it, stop and recheck the characters for typos, confirm your device clock is correct, and ensure you're using the same account email. If repeated attempts fail, prepare the ID plus proof of identity and contact support. Provide timestamps and backup copies if requested. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different trusted device. Sometimes session tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.